Hey, this is Roger on location at Epcon Communities Courtyards at Wesley Chapel. Selling very well here, by the way. A lot of activity, a lot of construction, a lot of closings. What a tremendous location right next to Lawson. And here's where the magic is, guys. It's the Courtyard. You know, Epcon Communities has done an amazing job with their Courtyard product, which is different. If you've not been exposed to it, you're gonna like what you see today. Got Jack the real estate dog with me. You come in on this particular model, the Promenade, you got transom windows, lots of light, flooding this front office space, reading room, keeping room. And you come in with some angles. Here's what's beautiful about this plan, is that everything plays out to the courtyard. It's not like you're living out to the backyard, you gotta be at the back of the house. Right here from the great room, what are we looking at? We're looking at the courtyard. And it's gonna be the same from the kitchen and from the master bedroom. And what's cool is right off from the courtyard, you've got all your plantings and everything with a zero lot line. And the only window there is a transom window above the shower next door. They're not looking at you as you're living out into your own courtyard. It reminds me of England, man, you know, where you just have your own courtyard. So you've got upstairs space here as well. Now the kitchen is magnificently appointed and plenty of space. And one thing that Epcon does that I really like is that they do offer skylights. So a lot of these models are going to come with a skylight right here to add some more light. And so you've got a dining room space. Now when we get to the master, I think you're going to be amazed. And notice that there are no windows on the left side of this house, because again, that's the zero lot line for the house next door. It plays beautifully off to the side. Here's a guest suite. Got a bedroom right across from the bath. And what does it play out to? You're looking at the courtyard. So what it does is with this courtyard design is ties all the elements of the house from the great room to the kitchen to the bedrooms right into the courtyard. So in my world, I'd be out sitting in the courtyard with Jack. Oh, by the way, they've got this ready for a dog, don't they? I'm sitting, that's a very big laundry room. I'm sitting out there with Jack and my wife is in the great room watching TV or reading, and she sees me and us, and it's just like we're all tied together. Now this is magnificent, and when I talked about skylights, there's a solitude, and this is the shower that you would die for right here. Plenty of room, we're coming all the way around. See how big that is? It's amazing. And you don't even need a shower door the way this is appointed. Really sweet. This is a great way to live, guys. And if you're downsizing and considering maybe this is your forever home, very big closet off to the side, then consider you've got a master bedroom. And what did I say about these rooms playing off to the courtyard? Isn't that amazing? That's from like the third or fourth angle we're seeing it. Now, Epcon offers in these floor plans some amazing options. From here, you can go into a sitting room like this, or this could be an exterior door that goes out into a covered patio, or it could go out into a screened porch. Look at all the light flooding in the way they've got it right now. I love this. Now, this model is available for sale right now. It's the model home. And if you know anything about new construction, the builders always max out the model home with all of the finishes, the fit that you could possibly want, because it's their showcase home. We're going to pop upstairs. So you can just imagine that everything in this house is going to be luxurious and high-end. Now, the upstairs. Think about it. What if you ever needed a caregiver? Not to mention your grandkids coming over and hanging out upstairs. But what if you ever needed a caregiver to come and live with you so you could stay in your home? Having a large space like this, big closet, you've got a door on this, so technically you're looking at a living space with a full bath. Think about it. It's really a loft, but it's got a door. And then you've got another bedroom up here with the clip ceilings playing up against the roof lines. Man, I love this. Plus, think about your grandkids. They're coming over, they say, we don't want to go to Grandma and Grandpa's because we're all so crowded in that downstairs space. Well, hey, I think you'll agree. Not only do the grandkids want a place to go at the end of the day, but you might just want a little repose from the day's activities as well. So I've just encouraged you to give me a call at 704-345-3400. Reference the Epcon Communities. I'm at Courtyards at Wesley Chapel, but they've got them all over the city. I can't wait to talk to you soon.